Most people trying to get agency clients spend hours manually researching businesses, building spreadsheets, copy pasting phone numbers that they find from Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to skip all that using GoHighLevel's built-in prospecting tool and in another strategy that I found to actually be better, and that way you can have a qualified lead list of local businesses already inside your CRM in less than 20 minutes. Let me show you exactly how this works. My promise to you is that by the end of this video, you're going to have a pipeline with tons of legit real contacts who either don't have a website or have a terrible review count. These are real local businesses, their phone numbers, their Google ratings, all organized and ready to reach out to. And by the way, if you want to try out this software for yourself, I have a 30-day free trial link in the description below. What you get with that link is my free step-by-step guide and walkthrough on how to get your agency started, along with access to my free school community to join others that are also building an agency from scratch. So here's method one, and this is one that most people don't know is inside GoHighLevel. So go to your sub account. I'm in my demo account. Go down to marketing. You're going to come up here to prospecting. Once you get to the prospecting page, click add prospect. Now what you can do is type in any niche that you're looking for. I'm going to start out with plumbers, and I'm going to just look in Arkansas. I typically put a big radius and then hit search. The beauty of this prospecting tool is that you can come over to these columns and you can filter them to show the businesses with the least reviews, with a very small amount of reviews. So if we scroll down, you can see 37 reviews, 9 reviews, 14, 31, 12, and as you can see, these are all like 5-star reviews. These are good businesses doing good work, and I bet a ton of these have been in business for years. They've done way more jobs than they have reviews, but they just haven't put a system in place to get reviews consistently. So that's the number one thing that I really like about the prospecting tool. And number two is going to be the website filters. These are both easy sells, selling your website, selling reviews, but what you can do is also filter which companies do not have a website yet. And as you can see, these top 4 businesses do not have websites out of just the 15 that pulled up. Now, this prospecting tool, it is legit. It is awesome. You can find all of these businesses without websites, and these are prime clients and customers to reach out to. There's like 20 businesses just in this short search that we can call, and all you have to do to add them to your GoHighLevel is click add. As you can see, there's no business website attached to their Google business profile. You can either add them to a specific pipeline, add a specific primary contact, or run a marketing audit report. I'm going to go ahead and hit add prospect, and that is going to add to my contacts. Now, obviously, you can go through and select the types of businesses that you want to reach out to and add them to your CRM, and you can dial out of your CRM and make this super easy. So that's the first method. Let me run you through the second method. And I think this is what I've been personally using when I want to go broader or hit a niche or just get tons and tons and tons of leads that are qualified in less than 10 minutes. So go ahead and open up Google Maps, search up your niche in your city or state. I typed in plumbers in Arkansas, and you have tons and tons of businesses here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the visible listing information right off the page. So this is the business names, the ratings, review counts, and whatever text is readable. So once you've highlighted every business, go ahead and copy that. And then I'm going to open up ChatGPT, and I'm going to submit that info with this prompt that says, organize this info into a lead list, categorize the info by if they have a website, what the review count is, and when their most recent review was. As you can see, I went ahead and I did this beforehand. It went through and it created this list to where we are able to see the business names. We're able to have their phone numbers, if they have a website, what their rating is, and how many reviews they have. And now what I can do is I can go through and see every single one of these businesses has very minimal reviews. You can see these guys have 15, 16, 14, 12, 1, 3. There's a few that have hundreds, 200. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is turn this into a CSV file. As you can see, you just type in convert this into a CSV file. You're going to go ahead and download this. Once you have that downloaded, come back over to GoHighLevel, click on contacts, click on import, and start CSV import. Click next, and then I'm going to drag over the CSV file, just create contacts, hit next, and then I'm going to map out these columns. So ChatGPT created a priority, meaning what are our chances of closing this deal and how much do they need our service? This gave us about a medium. I'm going to put this in our notes. Obviously you have your business name, plumber. If you want to map that, you totally can. I don't want to. You have your address, you have their phone numbers, which are the most important. You have their website, so I'm going to put that into website. Rating doesn't really matter to me. Review count is what's more important. And so I'm going to put that into our note. Once you have those fields mapped, I don't really care about everything else. I'm just going to click on don't import data in 9 unmapped columns, click on next, and then I'm going to create a smart list for the new contacts. And I'm going to name these plumbers in Arkansas. I'm not going to add them into a workflow just yet, but we can add a tag and we can select a specific tag or create one. Should type in Google Map Arkansas, use whatever tag you'd like. And last thing, just review your import. Click on start import. Click on go to contacts now. So now that our contacts are in GoHighLevel, here's how you can organize them. So I have a simple pipeline. There's a couple different stages. So come down here and click on opportunities, and I have a few stages. So number 1 is new lead, and this is where all of those leads are going to go. Step 2, you have contacted, meaning you've reached out and talked to them. Number 3 is demo booked. Number 4 is demo completed. Now, number 5 is what I call finish line. This means they have said yes, but they have not paid yet. They are just right there, and your goal is to put them across the finish line. This is your priority. This is where you're going to start getting money. And last stage is obviously closed. The reason I have this set up is because it gives me a real view of where everything stands. I'm not juggling a spreadsheet or trying to remember who I texted 3 days ago. It's all in here. And by the way, one thing I want to reiterate, not every business that comes up is worth reaching out to. The ones that I skip are typically businesses with over 200 reviews. Chances are they already have a system. Businesses without a website and no Google presence at all are 1% an easier sale. The sweet spot is a business that's obviously operational. You can tell they're getting customers, but their online presence is lagging. Low review count, stale reviews, maybe a basic or missing Google business profile. That gap between their actual business activity and their online presence is exactly where you come in. So to recap, you open your GoHighLevel prospecting tool, search your niche in your city, filter for businesses with a low review count, add the good ones as contacts directly, takes a few minutes, or open Google Maps, copy the listing text, paste it into GoHighLevel AI or ChatGPT and tell it to extract the structured data, import the results. It's faster if you want volume. Either way, you end up with a real lead list inside your CRM, organized in a pipeline, ready to reach out to. And that way, you don't waste your entire afternoon looking for people to call, looking for people to reach out to. The high-level free trial link is in the description. It's a 30-day free trial. Instead of a 14, it is 30 days. You can try out the prospecting tool for free within those first 30 days. You can even land your first client within those first 30 days before you even have to pay GoHighLevel a dime. And if you're building out this kind of agency, whether that's review automation, AI employee, receptionist, missed call text back, whatever kind of agency it is, and you want to connect with other people doing the same thing, my school community link is down there too. That school community will be exclusive only to people who have used my affiliate link or who pay a small fee to be part of it. It just doesn't make sense for me to put in as much time and value and take that time away from my current agency and building that without some exclusivity. So hopefully you guys understand. In the next video, I'll show you exactly what I say when I reach out to these businesses. So subscribe if you want that, and I will see you in the next one.